Hi! Today I'm going to share with you a couple of ideas that you can put together as a family to prepare for the Christmas season. I recently started bullet journaling and decided to put together a Christmas bucket list collection for my bullet journal. I decided to try out a Christmas plaid pattern, and I was using the washi tape to help me get straight lines. I like the washi for the thicker lines, but decided to use a ruler for the thinner lines. I made up the pattern as I went along, but I did make sure that I counted each row to make sure that they were equally spaced, and I kind of really like how it turned out. For the title, I decided to use some stamps with my acrylic block. Then I used a darker gray to create a checkbox for all the items I'm going to list. Then I looked up some lists on Pinterest to help me create my bucket list in my bullet journal. I am really excited about this next idea. My mom gave me a bunch of leftover Christmas cards, and I was trying to decide what I could do with them, and ended up deciding to put together a book. I started by taking the cards and folding them the opposite direction, and then I used double-sided tape to tape them together. I wanted to fold them inside out so that way the front picture is what is seen inside the book pages. Once I had 25 cards taped together, I attached a ribbon so that the book could be tied closed. Next, I used a piece of scrapbook paper to create a cover for the card book. Next, I wanted to number each page and cover up the extra wording, so that way this book could be used as a daily log throughout the Christmas season. You could add a picture or just write a memory in there. And here it is, finished. I really liked how it turned out. I like that I was able to use something that was just lying around and create a cute book that can be used to record memories. This next one, my sister-in-law shared a couple of ideas with me, and I decided to do this classic, the paper chain. I decided for this chain to write different names for Jesus with some verses, and I thought this would be a good way to talk about Jesus' birth during the Advent season with my daughter. This last one is a simple one. You could take your Christmas bucket list and write them on cards, fold them up and put them in a jar, and each day you can pull out an activity to do together. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.